Today we're reviewing the new Sentinel Queen Bee beekeeping suit designed specifically for women. Hello, I'm Angharad Rees from Gwenyn Griffith and welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we talk everything from beekeeping to farming and countryside living. But today I'm going to be reviewing the UK's first beekeeping suit that's been designed specifically for women. So let's get into the video. So a few weeks ago, Griffith and I attended Old Castle Farm Hives official launch of their brand new beekeeping shop, which is located just outside Neath in South Wales. Old Castle Farm Hives is an established business who have been selling online for a number of years, but they've just launched their brand new beekeeping store at their sort of HQ outside Neath. Now it's a fantastic store and it's rammed full with everything you could possibly need for your beekeeping needs. And if you're ever in the South Wales area, then I highly recommend that you go along and visit the shop. So let's try this new beekeeping suit that's been designed specifically for women. So here it is, the suit. It comes in a lovely lilac colour. And you've got a choice of two different styles of hat. I've gone for this style simply down to personal preference. I like this style because I feel it sort of doesn't restrict my view. With the other style, you've got the seams coming down in the front, so it's just a matter of personal preference, and it's completely detachable, so you can put the suit then in the washing machine when you need to wash it. So let's try it on. Okay, so the first thing to note is it looks quite sort of bulky and cumbersome, but actually it's really light. Right, so I've got the suit on. It feels really comfortable, nice and light. It's quite nice and airy because it's vented. Now what's great about this Sentinel beekeeping suit is that the fabric is 3.5mm thick. And the bee's stinger can measure anything between 1.5mm up to 3mm. And because this is 3.5mm thick, it does make the suit virtually sting-proof, which is a claim that they do make on their advertising. Now, Griff, my husband, has the male version of this suit, which was launched last year. He wore his suit throughout all of last year's beekeeping season, and he hasn't been stung once. So if confidence is an issue, then this is a suit that's certainly worth considering because of the thickness of the fabric. Now, it's as I mentioned, it's nice and vented, so on a hot day working the bees, there's plenty of draft coming through, so I don't think you'll get too hot. Some of the features on the suit. Now, it's got the adjustable Velcro on the wrist, perfect for someone who has small wrists like I have. It's got the pocket here to put your pen or EpiPen. It's got two zips on pockets on the breast. It's got lovely generous sized pockets on the hips. One of the other features that I like is, I don't know if you can see, but it's got the waterproof knee pads. So if you're kneeling down around the hive or whatever, then that saves you from getting wet knees. And also then there's the zip on the side there to secure the suit around your wellies. So it feels nice and comfortable. There's plenty of room on the hips. So the beekeeping suit has been designed specifically for women to accommodate a woman's shape. So there's plenty of space on the hips and on the chest. And for the hat then, I've gone for this style, so let's try it on. So you've got the elastic band underneath here to secure under your chin, so the hat doesn't move about. You've got the two zips then, which come in either side. So zip that all the way across first. And then there's two Velcros, one on the outside and one on the inside to give extra security. Now, I mentioned that I like this style because there's no obstruction to your veil whatsoever, and the veil is really good quality. It almost feels like I haven't got anything on. and yeah, it's nice and clear. So just to note as well, the mesh is called Kevlar veil, which is super strong, so it should, it shouldn't tear or anything easily. So, and that's the suit really. So yeah, it feels really comfortable. So, would I recommend this suit then? Yes, definitely I would. I think the suit offers an extremely high level of protection against bee stings, and good overall protection. It's lightweight, it's vented, and it feels really, really comfortable. It's robust, and I'm sure it will stand the test of time. I mentioned that my husband has the male version of the suit, which he wore throughout last year's beekeeping season, and he wasn't stung once. And just to note again that this suit is the first of its kind in the UK, a suit that has been designed specifically for women. There is no other beekeeping suit on the market currently in the UK that has been designed specifically to accommodate a woman's body shape. And it's bonkers to think that no other company had thought about this beforehand. And it's great to see that finally there's a beekeeping company out there who have thought of this as an issue and have come up with a solution. More and more women are going into beekeeping, and I'm sure this suit is going to be flying off the shelves, so get yours soon. And that's it. That's the review of the new Queen Bee Sentinel suit. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed watching the video and want to learn more about beekeeping, then please hit the subscribe button and watch our videos. Griff tries to upload new videos on a weekly basis. So thank you for watching, and see you again soon.